Biniam, a very tough day for you. First of all, could you explain what happened in that final sprint?
Yeah, unfortunately today was not an easy finish. You know, as we know this is the last sprint stage, and then everybody get more excited and then try to do as much as they can in the front, and then I also try to be there. And then there is also a lot of roundabout, the last 10K, and then yeah, it gets narrow every roundabout, and then suddenly I don't know who is from EF. We touch our handlebar. He goes inside me, and then I don't have nothing to do. I just brake full, but yeah, I just find myself on the ground. But luckily I'm okay. I'm able to ride, so that's a good thing.
What did you hurt?
Yeah, the most hurt is I land with my knee. So my knee, it's like you see now, it's big. Also my elbow, I have already 2 stitches, but that's gonna not a problem.
You're a fighter.
Yeah, why not? I'm okay.
Yeah, the question is, like, tomorrow morning when you'll get back on the bike, you hope to be in at least in a decent shape.
Yeah, it's always like this, you know. When you crash it, the day it's okay, but when you wake up in the morning, that's hurt a lot. But to be honest, mentally I'm okay, so that's not going to be a problem. So we will see tomorrow. Hopefully, I will be okay.
The fact that Jasper won today is, well, not very good news for you and for the green jersey, but you don't want to think about that.
No. When I crashed and then I wake up, I saw I'm able to ride my bike. I was happy. Like I said, for me, I don't care if I lose this jersey or I keep. I just like to arrive in Nice without any trouble. So yeah, still now not finished yet. So I'm trying to fight until Nice.
Recover well.
Thank you.